Last time, we used AI to clean a messy spreadsheet. It worked until next month when the same mess came back. Cleaning data is firefighting. Today, we build the gate that ends the loop. Here's the whole idea in one line. Stop cleaning your data and start refusing it. You put one checkpoint in front of your sheet. Good rows go in. Bad rows get held aside with the reason why. You never clean the same export again because the mess never gets in. First, why this matters. Most teams live in a cleanup loop. You export the file, hunt the duplicates, fix the dates, recompute the totals, and next month you do it all again. And prevention is the cheap end of the deal. There's a rule of thumb in data quality called 1, 10, 100. It costs about 1 unit of effort to stop a bad record at entry, 10 to fix it after it's in, and 100 to live with the mess it causes downstream. So let's build the front door, one piece at a time. Every automation is really 3 moves, a trigger, a check, and a place to put the result. The front door is that middle move. It sits between the messy outside world and your clean table, and every row has to pass through it. The gate has exactly 2 exits. A row that passes every rule goes into the clean table. A row that fails any rule goes to a quarantine tab. Not deleted, not silently fixed, just set aside with a note saying what was wrong. Let's make that concrete with a single row. Sarah types a date, the 31st of February, 2026. There's no 31st of February, so the gate stops it cold. It's tagged invalid date and held in quarantine. Your clean table never even sees it. Quarantine is the word that matters. Deleting bad rows throws away data you might still need. Silently auto-fixing them hides the mistake. That's exactly how a guest date slips through unnoticed. Holding them where a human can see them keeps the whole thing honest. Here's the heart of it. Every rule lives in one place. The email must exist and look like an email. The date must be a real date in one format. The amount must be a positive number. The ID must be unique. One readable list, and it's the only thing you touch when the rules change. And you don't have to write the checker by hand. Here's the one prompt that turns that rule list into a working validator. Pause and copy it. The full version is in the description. That single prompt is the build if you just want the result. Now let's walk 2 rows through the door and watch what happens. Watch one good row. It arrives, hits the gate, passes every check, and lands in the clean table. Boring, and boring is exactly the goal. Now a bad one. Same row, but the email is blank. The gate stops it, tags it missing email, and drops in quarantine. Your clean table never even sees it. And at the end of every run, the system writes you one line. 48 rows in, 45 passed, 3 quarantined. You read one sentence instead of scanning 2,000 rows by eye. This isn't one tool. It's a pattern you can drop almost anywhere. In Google Sheets, an app script checks each row the moment a form is submitted. As a Python script, it runs on every export before the data is written. In a no-code tool like Make, it sits as a filter step before the final write. Before you build this, 3 honest warnings. Warning 1, and it's the big one. A front door only works if it's the only door. The first time someone's in a hurry, they'll paste straight into the clean table and skip the gate. Do that once, and the mess is back. The hard part was never the code. It's never building a side entrance. Warning 2, a passing row isn't a true row. The gate proves the data is well-formed, not that it's correct. A valid email can still belong to the wrong customer. Validation stops garbage getting in. It doesn't stop a tidy-looking lie. Warning 3, don't build a fortress on day 1. Pick the 3 rules that cause your worst messes, usually a missing key field, a broken date, and a number that should be positive. Ship just those 3. Then add a new rule only when a real bad row teaches you one. And that's the entire system. 1 gate, 2 exits, a rules list you can read out loud, and a 1-line report. Start with a single messy import you already dread, put a door in front of it, and let the quarantine fill up instead of your afternoons. If the last video said clean it with AI, this one says stop having to. Next on the desk, we wire this gate straight to a form, so bad data is bounce the second someone hits submit. Subscribe so you catch it, and tell me in the comments which field causes you the most mess.